Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY nail art with a product that's been making waves. The XIELIME Halloween Nail Stickers. If you're someone who loves expressing your style through your nails, you'll want to stick around for this review. These nail stickers are not your average decals. They come in 24 sheets packed with a variety of spooky designs perfect for Halloween or any time you want to add a bit of edge to your nails. From skulls to ghosts, witches to spiders, the assortment is impressive. What sets these stickers apart is their ease of use. Each sheet uses water transfer technology, making application a breeze. Simply cut out the design, soak it in water, and apply it to your nails. The result? Professional-looking nail art without the salon prices. Plus, they're durable and don't peel off easily, ensuring your nail art stays vibrant for days. Let's talk variety. Whether you're into classic Halloween motifs like pumpkins and witches, or you prefer something more abstract like geometric patterns, this set has it all. The designs cater to both fingernails and toenails, making them versatile for any occasion. Quality-wise, these stickers exceed expectations. They adhere smoothly to the nail surface without wrinkles or bubbles, giving a seamless finish that looks professionally done. Even better, they withstand daily activities without chipping, ensuring your nail art stays flawless. To wrap it up, if you're looking to elevate your nail game effortlessly, the XIELIME Halloween nail stickers are a must-have. With their wide range of designs, easy application, and long-lasting durability, they offer incredible value for money. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or a beginner, these stickers will transform your nails into stunning works of art. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of amazing products.